When people hear Greek life, the first things that come to mind are the parties, the strolls, the chants. But what if I told you that's only a small part of the story? Greek life, at its best, is not about popularity. It's about purpose. It's about service, leadership, and community uplift. It's about legacy, the kind that outlives the music and the moments.
Across the Divine Nine and beyond, members of fraternities and sororities are showing up in classrooms, in neighborhoods, and in boardrooms. They're mentoring youth, creating scholarships, organizing food drives, and standing on the front lines of social justice. These aren't weekend projects. They're lifelong commitments, because being Greek isn't just about wearing letters. It's about living the values those letters represent.
When I joined my fraternity, I found brotherhood, but I also found responsibility. Our founders didn't create these organizations for us to fit in. They created them so we could stand out. They believed in the power of education, unity, and faith in action. And those same principles still call to us today.
Throughout history, Greek organizations have been the heartbeat of Black excellence and cultural pride. They've birthed leaders, pastors, judges, activists, and educators who changed the course of this nation. So when we talk about Greek life, we're really talking about leadership in motion, purpose on display.
It's easy to get distracted by the parties. But if you look closer, you'll see a network of people who pray together, build together, and serve together. That's what I call sacred work. Being Greek doesn't mean choosing the world over your faith. It means finding ways to let your faith lead your service.
So maybe it's time to look again, to move beyond the parties and rediscover what Greek life was always meant to be. A platform for purpose, a classroom for leadership, and a family that serves.
Ready to redefine your Greek experience? Leave a comment, share this video, and subscribe to Sacred Greeks TV.